Hello Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is new moon in Taurus reading for sun, moon and rising in Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, this new moon is happening in your fourth house. Okay, so there's lots of planets that's in your fourth house right now and in your own house too. So it's like you have to be flexible right now. There could be some issues with your family, with your home, with if you're buying or moving in or moving out of a place, or if you're staying home a lot right now. Okay, you could be having some new goals. Okay, you could be starting to decorate your home, or if you're looking for a work from home space, you're trying to create it. Okay, you're trying to attach yourself to your home base. Okay, if you're trying to be a little more having some more time with your family, with your kids, if you're ready to spend some more money on building something, okay, in your home, you can also start gardening or do something this new moon. It's actually nice new moon for you Aquarius. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Hanson Roberts Tarot, okay, for the main spread here. I'm going to do a 5 card spread for you Aquarius. There's a significator, an obstacle, a foundation, a past, a crowning and a future energy for you. Okay, I'll be clarifying with the everyday tarot here, and also I'll be pulling an oracle card for you. Okay, there's no reversals in this deck, there's reversals in this deck. Okay, so based upon the outcome I'll clarify for you. Okay, so let's begin. Aquarius, sun, moon and rising. Sun, moon and rising. Aquarius, sun, moon and rising. The first card is the 9 of Rods for you. Okay, what's the obstacle for Aquarius? 7 of Pentacles is the obstacle for you. The foundation is the Emperor. Past energy for Aquarius. 4 of Swords is the past energy for you. What's the crowning for you Aquarius? What's the crowning for you? 9 of Swords. 2 nines here. Okay. And what's the outcome for Aquarius? The King of Pentacles is the outcome. Okay, so Aquarius, you could be having Earth in your chart. 2 of Rods. 2 of Rods is the overall energy for you. Okay, so you could have Earth in your chart Aquarius, or you could be dealing with an Earth sign here. Okay, this Earth sign could be your spouse. Okay, I think Aquarian women, you could be dealing with this King of Pentacles. Okay, Capricorn, Taurus, but I'm thinking more than Capricorn, it's a Taurus here. King of Pentacles could be a Taurus here. It's like you have invested a lot of time in this person. Okay, you thought this could be your spouse, or you thought this is the person you're going to marry, or you've already married this person, but you're having right now that you're not giving up on this relationship. The 7 of Pentacles and 9 of Rods, you're like, I invested so much money, I did so much for this relationship, I want this to work, I want this to work. But the problem is you have a choice. You can either be in this suffering with this person, constant battle, or you can move on. You have a choice to be made this week. Okay, this is like a significant choice for you. Okay, especially if you're a married Aquarius, or you're dealing with someone, could be a strong father of the child, or even your father, your own father. Okay, there could be arguments right now where maybe your family is against divorce. You're not ready to you're not allowed to move on from this person, so you're in this mental battle with it. I don't like any of the cards here. Okay, the 7 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, 9 of Swords and the 4 of Swords, it's like you're done. It's almost like the last straw. I'm hearing it's the last straw. You could be going through a rough time, definitely Aquarius. Okay, it's like the last straw. You're not able to take it anymore, but you're still holding on because you have invested a lot of time. Okay, this is the only man you have been with all your life. So you're like, I cannot see another way to live without this person, or I have invested too much of my money. There's a lot of at stake. If I break up with this person, I cannot split so much and start over. That is the energy I'm getting here for you Aquarius. So let's focus. The 9 of Rods. Why is the 9 of Rods here? 6 of Wands, yeah. It's like you're trying to win this person back. You're like, I'll do anything for this person to get them back, or to give me the attention. I'm ready to fight for this person. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to go one more round with this person and we'll see. 7 of Pentacles. Justice. Okay. It's like you want this investment to be fair, or you want this person to be treating you fairly. If this is a divorce situation, you know you want the share. You want it, everything. You're battling out with this person. The Emperor, the World reverse, yeah. You don't want to close the cycle with this person, yeah. You're still fighting for this because you know that this person owes you money. 4 of Swords. 4 of Swords. Maybe this person disappeared on you, abandoned you, or ghosted you. Yeah, the Sun reversed. Yeah, they are not talking. They are not talking. You're unhappy in this situation, but you're still not giving up on this person. The 9 of Swords here. 5 of Wands. See? Court battles, family battles, going at it because this person could be the father of the child. I think so. The King of Pentacles here. Feel like it's a Taurus with Aquarius in your chart, okay? If you're Aquarius men, I think your spouse is not letting you go. They're fighting for the money. They're fighting for you. The Empress. What can I say? This is definitely Emperor with the Empress, a married couple, okay? Lovers at the bottom of the deck, okay? Could be a choice. Could be even a Chariot here, okay? The Knight of Cups reversed, yeah. This could be a diverse situation here, or a diverse situation or a child situation, okay? And people are battling out in court. It's like a lot of choice for this. Aquarius, you could be going out. Aquarian men, you could be trying to divorce this person, but this person is not leaving you for the money. They're trying to stay with you. They're trying to get your attention. They're trying to go one more round with you in this person. They are not ready to divorce you. The cycle is not yet closed, okay? You're trying to get rid of this person and move to a different place, to a different choice, but they're not allowing you because this person could be your spouse, or you could be having a child together, okay? But the Sun reverse could be a child, or this is like unhappy couple, married couple going through a divorce, but you're working out the finances here. Maybe this person wants to keep the relationship for the money, keep the relationship going, or they're battling out in the court for the money, for the investments here, okay? So that is the energy I'm getting here. This is a straightforward reading for you, Aquarius, okay? Especially for married couples here. The thinking man, okay? That's you, Aquarius, okay? We have our thinking hats on, and you're trying to think a lot to get rid of this person, to settle down, to settle this debts or this credits with this person, and you're trying to divorce this person, give them whatever they can, and just move out of it, okay? I think it will take time because this person with the King of Pentacles, because they think maybe this person, if she's pregnant, she's not going to leave you that easily, okay? Definitely. And Aquarius women, if you are pregnant, you are not leaving the spouse that easily, because if this is the father of the child, you are like, you want to go through this, you want the money, or you want everything that this person has. I think this is like a very, very harsh legal battle, lot of fighting, lot of people are involved, okay? This is not a relationship that's going to go down that easily, okay? There's going to be a lot of arguments right now, okay? Definitely, if this is a diverse situation, especially, okay? So I hope this resonates with you, Aquarius. Thank you.